guys, Dallas here with Days of Dirt. We're in the shop for the first time this week. We have took it a little bit slow because we don't have any parts to fix anything yet. We've ordered them all, but they haven't came in yet. Brad came out here and piddled a little bit yesterday, I think, working on sheet metal. But I'll kind of show you the carnage. So we've got both fenders are a little rough, but I think they're fixable. They just won't look as good as they did to begin with. There's the hood. Again, I think it's fixable. It just won't look as good. And then there is the radiator that has pinholes in it. If you've not seen Brad's TikTok video, go check it out. It's the Rock Ledge Rocket on TikTok. He posted a video the other day, and it shows the pinholes in the radiator shooting water out. And then here is the filler. I don't think she's salvageable because there's a big rip in it. It's mangled all to hell. And there's the T-bar that's mangled all to hell. That's not salvageable either because it's broken in half and just bent everywhere. That would be a whole lot more work than it would to be to just build one. So we're going to try to get started on some sheet metal, try to build a T-bar and get everything back together. Here is the nose. The nose is not as bad as we thought. There's the flopper over there. The thing we're missing that completely came off and we have no idea where it's at is this little gem right here on the very bottom of this side. It's completely gone on the left side over there. So, and it got everything over here. Shock was broken. It's gone. We've got it. We've got Robbie at RPI fixing that up for us. That A-arm there, the lower is messed up. I'm not real sure where because it's not as bad as what the other ones were. And we don't think it got the spindle. We think the spindle will be okay. I don't know if Brad ordered one of those or not. The little thing that holds the canister for the shock, we got that a little bit. And there's the thing that goes from the bumper to the chassis there. Pulled it out. And it's the hind for it. And that, well, that's a little bent. Bumper, I think it's salvageable. We went ahead and ordered one from Jake Knowles at Knowles Racing Parts. That should be here then one day this week, or we're going to go over to Rome and get it. Not sure which. Here's the other side. Bent way down. But everything over here is okay. And, well, this is the other one. This is the upper A-arm that got killed. So it pulled it out right there. Bent it right there. Completely broke it, which is a good thing that it broke like that, because that took most of the force and it didn't get the chassis. We're thinking so far we don't see anything that would make us think that it got the chassis. Everything looks fine with that. We're working on getting her back together. It's going to be a lot of work, lots of money. We've got all of our parts ordered on the way. They should be here at the end of this week. We will not be racing anywhere this weekend. We're going to take this weekend off. We probably could have everything together depending on when the parts came in. If they came in tomorrow, we could probably have it ready by Saturday. But you know what happens when you rush things. A lot of things get looked over and aren't put back exactly where they need to go. So we're not going to rush it. We're going to hang out at the house this weekend, and we'll be racing next weekend, hopefully at Thunderhill with the Topless Outlaw Series. I think the Topless Outlaw Series is going to Tazewell this weekend, which we hadn't planned on going there. So that's not a race we had planned on going to anyway, but their schedule will start this weekend, and we'll start next weekend with them. We plan to be at Thunderhill this weekend. Good Lord willing, everything goes well. We will be at Boyd's on Friday, the week after, and then Mountain View that Saturday. So we're ready to get back in action. We've only been out, we're only gonna be out this week, thankfully. Everything kind of played out, and we're looking at getting back racing. So we've had several people reach out to us and offer kind words and offer words of encouragement, and we greatly appreciate that. In times like this, you definitely get down in the dumps and you're just kind of like over it. Brad definitely was pissed the other night. As you could tell if you watched our last YouTube video, I think he normally don't cuss a whole lot. You know, if he cusses, it's kind of like shit hell. You know, it's not bad words, but the other night they were a little more colorful than that, which is why he just kind of bleeped everything out because it was rough. He was pissed, and he just didn't want everybody to hear that. But our spirits are up. We think we're going to be fine. We're going to get everything back ready to go. Our shock should be ready by this weekend. Parts hopefully will be here by this weekend, so we can work on getting that back together. And as you can see, in the meantime, we got a lot of work to do.
How many more times are you going to say as you can see?
I didn't say as you can see much.
What's in, what we, yeah, I think I still got to work on the tabs more, but I think I can get the bolts out.
I think you're going to have to re-weld tabs because it pulled one of those off.
Good as new.
Yep, looks good. Now make that as good as new.
What?
That.
This?
Yeah.
I gotta have the torch for that.
You think we can reuse that bolt, Joel?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's salvageable.
Chris Berry will find a way.
They're just stainless bolts, ain't they? They're not grade 8s, right?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't like I put grade 8s up there.
God, that bolt is killed.
The rear end shunt.
Good job.
Huh?
Good job.
Same thing. I believe.
Should be.
We can relinquish this one.
Man, I'm gonna have to weld that one.
We can get rid of this one.
Yeah.
We got 4 right here.
It's still a quality piece, isn't it, Chris?
Put that middle. Well, no, it broke it here. Yeah.
Yeah, if it just broke that middle piece, it could have been fixed.
Ball joint good?
No, he ordered ball joints.
That ball joint's good. I ordered new ball joints. That ball joint needs to be put in the trailer where we can.
Oh, he's gonna spend as much money as he can spend now.
We need to build this back to where we can put it back on the trailer and not have to go borrow it.
There it is. What's wrong with that side? That one's not as bad.
I'll put the wet stuff on the hot stuff, Paul, so I don't stand there while it's flaming.
Flaming big.
Joel's being a pansy.
Wow.
Chris, you ain't even got your, you ain't even got that. You think good?
Well, pull it out.
There you go.
What?
He said the welder's on the way.
Huh?
Talking about Zach. What are you talking about?
I don't need it.
Touch it.
No, you need to hold it.
Bring it over here.
Touch it, Chris. Touch me with it. Go away!
Slide it in some more. Right there. Slide it down. Let me get out.
Yeah, you ain't tightening the lights down. Tighten the lights down.
Alright, rotate it. Now it needs to bend the other way. Right there. Come in, son. Come on. Come on. Come on.
This is how we scrape metal around here.
I just heard him say, "Hey, I got an idea," and usually when he does that, I look the other way.
Hey, get the hammer and knock that corner down for me.
What?
Knock this corner down for me.
What corner?
Right here on the filler.
He wants a roller. I'm gonna make him a roller.
How'd that work out, Chris?
What?
What you was trying right there?
It worked good. We need some steel wheels How's that?
You're so focused on it. It looks so professional.
I'm sure I feel like that's important to them do it, Chris.
I bet it is.
Thought of it.
I bet it
They ain't thought of it.
is. Brad. Brad. Did you hear what he said?
What?
Put it on the concrete.
So it's a good idea?
Yes.
I didn't want to skin it up.
You don't want to. You ain't gonna skin it up any more than it already is.
Well, I didn't want to skin it up. We'll bring it over here. Does he want the radiator straightened out?
I'm afraid the radiator's trash.
That radiator can be fixed. be a spare radiator.
That does look a lot better though. It ain't got all them wrinkles in it. That was a really good idea, Christopher. Watch out, Joe. Here comes Madman.
I'm trying to get out of the way.
You know he's wide open.
Flip it over.
He just grinding the weld off where one of those tabs broke. So he can weld a new tab on it. Right there. Alright guys, so that's where we're gonna end tonight. Brad's got everything taken off the... You said do an ending video, and now I ain't talking to you.
All I can hear is mumbling.
I ain't mumbling. Alright, let me talk real loud because he says I'm mumbling.
That sounded like a phone sex operator for a minute. What? It sounded like a phone sex operator for a minute.
Y'all shut up. Anyway, he's got the front bumper off. Everything is off. The left front over here, ready for parts to come in whenever they come in. There. There's nose. Waiting on a piece because obviously Smart when they're lost it on the track. So that's gonna wrap us up for tonight. Is it?
I don't know, is it?
Yeah, it is. I'm tired. It's getting chilly.
Tired?
Yeah, it's getting.
It's only 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's time for bed. Anyway, thanks to all of our sponsors. I'm kind of hungry too. Thanks to all of our sponsors: KT Heating and Air, Superior Bearing and Supply, Busy Days Oil Service, and Vaughn Motorsports. Also, thanks to Vinson Race Engines. Thanks to all those guys that make it possible. We're gonna go home and look. You need to dig a little bit deeper there, darling.
Oh no, duh.
Yeah. Oh, you need to trim your nose hair.
I need the freaking haircut and beard trimmed.
No,
You know how to get a beard trim?
Chris needs a haircut.
I tried tonight. He said it's bedtime.
Chris, we're going to have to hold him down.
But he's got them dumb. He's got them dumb and dumber bases. He cut them himself. What? It's only 9 o'clock. Why are you yawning?
I said I got something in my eye.
I know what you said. I said, why are you yawning? You said it's only 9 o'clock.
Something in your eye makes
Your
you.
thumb's what's in your eye.
Oh,
When you get something in your. Oh.
something in your eye makes you tired? I don't want that.
When you get something in your eye, it makes you yawn.
Does it?
Yeah.
Never heard of this before.
It does me.
Oh, because you're weird. Anyway, that's all for tonight, guys.